Hi, my name is Richard, and today we'll be taking a look at the Leisure, our all-terrain fat tire e-bike. The Leisure is a fully loaded all-terrain e-bike featuring everything riders wanted for ultimate comfort and capabilities off-road. The Leisure is available in 3 beautiful colors: matte black, gloss white, and gloss red. The step-over frame is made from 6061 aluminum alloy, making it highly resistant to corrosions and stress. On top of that, all Rize bikes have a water-resistant rating of IP65, making it perfect for riding in all types of weather conditions. We're introducing for the very first time a fully integrated battery that attaches inside the down tube. It is now able to accommodate a secondary battery on top of the down tube to double your range. The controller, wiring, and vital electronics are sealed and protected from all elements for added durability. Thanks to the advanced frame design, it has truly become one of the most capable and rugged all-terrain fat tire e-bikes. Our engineers at Rize redesigned the Leisure with a focus on comfort and its ability to effortlessly tackle all sorts of terrain. We've achieved this by offering the Leisure in a step-over frame with an all-purpose frame geometry. For added comfort and stability, we paired the Leisure with high-rise handlebars, making it perfect for all-day riding. The rugged, lockable front suspension and cell rail spring cushion seat loaded with 2 springs and a thick seat tube also help to keep the rider most comfortable on the bumpiest terrain. The 4-inch wide knobby tires provide the rider with the comfort, stability, and traction needed on even the most difficult terrain. Thanks to the included fenders, you'll be able to stay clean from mud, dirt, and water. Removing and installing the battery has never been this easy thanks to the all-new frame design. The battery is securely locked and can be unlocked with the provided key. We've also included a quick release axle so you can easily remove the front wheel for transportation purposes. To meet the needs of an everyday rider, we've included a rear rack to conveniently carry your cargo. Rest assured, no matter where you ride, the Leisure will keep you comfortable and provide the confidence you need on the most challenging terrain. You may be asking, what about the performance? The Leisure features a premium Samsung 21750E cell battery, which has a whopping 720 watt-hour of capacity. The high-performance 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery ensures the motor will receive the juice it needs to be running at peak performance. For riders who need extreme range, a secondary battery can be added, and thanks to the built-in port, it's a simple plug-and-play solution. Combined with the industry-leading Bafang 500-watt motor that puts out 80 Nm of torque, our riders can expect amazing range and power to tackle all types of terrain. Unleash the full power of the motor with the included throttle without any pedaling required. On days you need a workout, adjust the pedal assist levels from 0 to 7 to dial in the exact assistance desired. Our advanced torque sensor delivers the power seamlessly to provide a highly responsive ride. Unlike traditional cadence sensors, torque sensors offer a smooth pedaling experience alongside increased efficiency on a full-size e-bike. The tried and true 7-speed Shimano Acera rear derailleur offers the perfect range of gears to tackle hills or to hit top speeds. Changing gears is crisp and efficient, even with the ability to double or triple shift gears thanks to the Shimano Rapid Shifter. Safety has always been a priority when engineering our bikes. Tektro hydraulic brake discs with ceramic brake pads come standard on the Leisure that offer the control and stopping power required on fat tire e-bikes. Brake inhibitors also come standard that cut off the motor when the brakes are applied for an extra sense of security. Super bright front and rear LED lights are included to keep the rider safe from dusk till dawn. The taillight has 2 options, solid or flashing. We've also included a safety feature to illuminate the rear LED lights as the rider applies the brakes. Kenda tires with K-Shield puncture resistance offer the protection you need when riding through variable terrain. The Leisure was designed with thoughtful features our riders demanded, with a heavy emphasis on comfort and its capabilities off-road. It has proven to be the ultimate fat tire e-bike. If you have any questions about our bikes, don't hesitate to contact our in-house e-bike experts. Rise on.